Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change your plan in Zoho Mail step by step. Whether you want to upgrade or switch to a different plan, this video will guide you through the complete process. But before you start, make sure you are logged in. Okay, so first of all, to log in, just open your Zoho CRM website. So let's do. You can easily log in from this section. Okay, you just need to put up your password and write your email address. So after logging, you just need to click on access Zoho Mail. Now to upgrade or change a plan, you just need to click on this my profile icon, and guys, from here you can easily upgrade or change a plan. So let's do. Click on this upgrade now. Here you need to click on buy add-on, and guys, here you can select a storage, okay, according to your need. For an example, I need this much. Okay, just click on it and click proceed, and guys, here you can fill up your billing details, and after fill up you just need to click on proceed to pay. So this is how you can purchase the plan. You can choose and buy a plan based on your need depending on how much storage or space you require. So guys, that's how you can easily change or upgrade your plan in Zoho Mail. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more of Zoho tutorial. Thanks for watching.